British pound opens up the week moving higher. Call on Friday, we got down to 3-week lows right around 126. Today we reversed and we saw better buying and lifting of the pound, taking it all up to 127 before closing out at around 126.80. The Bank of England does meet this week, but they're not expected to cut rates. Part of the reason maybe we saw some better buying to start the week off. That'll be the highlight of the week the day before. Obviously, we get the Fed meeting. That could be very telling as well. Both meetings have priced in the Fed a 25 basis point rate cut, the Bank of England no cut, but both will be looking at post-press conferences to reveal what happens next. As always, the market is forward-looking. But again, seeing the pound rally to start the week, erasing those declines on Friday and closing out the day at 126.80. Now, what does this mean for volatility? Well, check out that CVOL index over at cmegroup.com. You will see volatility nudged higher to start the week, but going back to the middle part of last week, volatility was already starting to see a little bit of a bid, so it's been creeping higher over the last several sessions. Lastly, let's talk about positioning and what are speculators doing? Well, as of last Tuesday, speculators were adding to their net long positions, something we haven't seen a whole lot of in the pound. Going back to the early part of October, speculators have been exiting their net long positions, kind of tracing the chart of where the pound was moving itself. And in late November, the pound kind of bottomed out and things started to move higher. Well, last week we saw speculators adding to those net long positions for the first time in a long time. So starting out the week, the pound, after moving lower on Friday, reverses those declines, closes out today at 126.80 ahead of the very important, I should say, two important meetings, the Fed on Wednesday, the Bank of England on Thursday.